Pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. We're back live at it again. Guess what, pandas? We're moving on up. Moving on up. Moving on up. We are jumping to 2 micros starting from this week. 2 micros, pandas. That means double the wins, double the losses, double the fun, pandas. Let's get it. But even with 2 micros, it's actually like, I mean, your wins and losses, they can accumulate pretty quickly with even 2. I'm curious to see how this goes, pandas. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. We are ready to get started. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. We are locked and loaded. Let's get it. We're absolutely locked and loaded here. I need to mark this. Could be significant today. Pandas. Market's about to open in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Well, let's get it. Ooh. It is wild right now. Okay. Let's see here. Markets are just open. We do have news later this week. I mean, for me, the biggest news is on Wednesday. Wednesday and Thursday, we got big news. And it comes at a perfect time because the Apex 90% off ends on Tuesday, tomorrow. So if you wanted to, you could stock up past your accounts on Wednesday. If I didn't have my accounts, that's exactly what I would do. But since I have my accounts, I probably won't stock up here. But since I have my PA accounts, unless I bust them today, if I bust them today or tomorrow, then I would be locked and loaded to get more PA accounts. Okay. I mean, this is chopped right now. Just sitting here, pause. But because big news is on Wednesday, today and tomorrow, we could just be chopping around, flopping around, not doing much. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see if we can get something here. I'm gonna see if I can get a nice move down here. Oh, this might be a good second entry long here. But we got a second entry short on the 2500 tick chart. Oh, this is, yep. That's not good for me. That is not really do good for me, pandas. We'll take the hit. Move on. I just saw the second entry short on the higher time frame. Felt like it could be a nice push to the downside. Ooh, we might get it here. Just sit on your pause here. Let's see. Maybe yes, maybe no. Oh, that's not good. I'm pretty sure I'm smoked here. I'm pretty certain I smoked, yeah? Like, we're definitely smoked here. Oh, yeah, we're definitely smoked. We're 1,000% smoked here. We're like 1,000% smoked here, no? 1,000% smoked. I think it was worth holding because we actually got the trap here, so all good. We'll take the hit. Move on with our lives, you know what I mean, Pandas? We're 1,000% smoked here. We'll take the hit. We're somehow still alive, and we're dead. All right, all good. I just saw the second inch short on the 2500 tick. It was a little bit choppy. I could have probably skipped it, but all good. I could have came out break even on this trap down, but decided to hold. Do I still want to go short here? I don't know. I don't know. I guess set on my pause. Wait for the 5-minute chart to develop a little bit. Fortune takes me out. It looks like it might go down now. Only after it stops me out. That's unfortunate. Very unfortunate, in fact. That's life. That's life. Takes me out before the push down. Oh boy. Is that not life, pandas? Is that not what trading is all about? Getting bamboozled every single day. I think I have like a $500 max loss, and I think I'll just be happy with that. Once I hit $500 drawdown, I'm gonna just end it. I think that is a good place to stop 500. I mean, even that trade was $143 worth of risk, and we're just trading two micros, pandas. We're just trading two micros here. Oh, we finally make them move down. Only it stopped me out perfectly, like a couple ticks, maybe 1 or 2 points. All good. We will take the hit there and move on with our lives. Hopefully, we'll get another push down. We can get a pullback here, and I can go short. We'll see. Okay, no pullbacks. Not yet, at least. Is that all I get here? First entry. I'll try. First entry. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a follow through on this massive bear bar on the 5-minute chart here. So first entry after a big push down. Let's see if we can catch something here. Okay, might get bamboozled again. All good. Looks like we get bamboozled on the strong push down, no follow through. All good. We take the hit. So I saw this 5-minute strong bear bar ending on its low. Thought we had some follow through, but we don't. It's really all okay. Okay, we're 0-3 or 0-2. Pandas. It just basically V bottoms here. Do I still want to go short here after first entry? After a V bottom, multiple strong bull bars. Terrible signal bar. Do I still want to go short? I think I need more than that. All right. Good thing I didn't go short there. The 5-minute gets absolutely reversed. So 50-50 chance that happens. I mean, I saw trading range, and I thought strong bear bar ending near its low, we might get follow through to get to the bottom of the trading range. That's what I was thinking, because we had trading range all day on Friday. And I thought that since we're still in it, we'll make our way back to the bottom. So I thought some follow through. Strong bear bar. It's all good. We didn't get it. It's all reasonable in my mind. Oh, you're right. Let's take a look. There it is. We're down 2 trades here. Failed second entry long. Maybe okay trade here. We probably won't get any setup. Will we get our setup? Good enough for me? Try? Thoughts and prayers? Whoa. Let's try. One time. I still like the short, even if I get knocked out here. I think I do. Even if I get stopped out here, if I get a signal bar, still a little short here, I think. Okay, we'll just stay in this trade. We're not going to add on to it, just because it's basically where we entered in the first place. We might add on maybe down here. Maybe add on down here if we get a nice push to this far down. Let's see. Let's add on a little bit down here. If we can get there. I don't know if we will, though. It's not really moving the way I want it to move. It's not really moving the way I want it to move. That's not too pretty, is it? That is not pretty at all for me. Strong bull bar ending near its high with follow through. Let's see. Let's see if the 20 EMA holds here. I'll try. We'll hold. Hold! Strong bull, follow through bull bar. Bad sign for me. We do get a push down, but these two bull bars might cause issues for me. Ooh. When I say issues, I mean non-issues. Let's see. Strong bear bar ending near its low. A little bit of follow through one time. I'm not sure. Let's see if we get it. Jeez. It's just not moving. It's kind of getting stuck here. It might create a trading range. It's not moving. It's not really moving. What's that? Strong bull bar ending on its high. Not gonna take me out, huh? All good. I thought it was worth waiting. See, okay. Another push down. Like, it looks like it wants a new low, you know what I mean? It surely looks like it wants a new low here. I want to break this and make a lower high. I want to break this first. Like, it's not moving. It's not doing anything right now. It's just going completely sideways. I thought it would test this low. I thought it would at least test this low, bare minimum, but it looks like it's struggling to do anything right now. Do I really want to stick around and find out what happens after this? If it reverses back up? Do I really want to stick around and find out what happens if it reverses back up here? I don't think I do. I think if it reverses back up, I'm going to just... Because it's just having too hard of a time to test this low, and I just feel like there's too much support here now. Okay, that's a good sign for me, I think. Look, it's not pushing. It's not pushing, pandas, and I think if it's struggling to push down, like, what's the point of sticking around and find out? I'd rather just come out break even here. It's not doing what I want it to do. It is not behaving. It is just not behaving. Look, it still hasn't tested. It still hasn't made a new low yet. After how many bars I enter? I'll enter over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Took 15 bars to make a new low. Yikes. That's not good. There is such thing as taking too long. You know what I mean? There is such thing as taking too long. And this is what we have here. Look at it made a new low. Just bouncing back up. I don't think this is it, pandas. I don't think we're going to get our move. We're going to get stopped out here. It looks like trading range price action right now. Yep. So we made a new low, but I wanted more than that. And unfortunately, the market got, took 15 bars to make that new low. All underneath the 20 MA, so I decided to hold. Get 3 massive bull bars in a row. This is trading range price action, in my opinion. Unfortunately. So probably not clean price action today. Probably lots of traps, lots of tricks, double traps, triple traps, so forth. It does come after the strong bear bar. I thought we might have follow through, but look at the next bar. So what do you expect for the next bar to be? Just more of the same. Pandas! Drop those GMs in the chat. Drop those GMs in the chat. Bub Stocks. Good morning, Sensei. Panda, I have crazy news. Should I invest in the 100K account? Is that the crazy news? What's the crazy news? You can't just say crazy news and not say anything. What is the crazy news? Sherman, good morning. Turtle Toes, good morning. I mean, you got me. You piqued my interest. What can I say? Piqued my interest. I mean, trading range price action. What do I do here? I gotta treat it like a trading range. I gotta treat it. Gotta treat it as it is. That means I cannot look for the follow through here. Cannot look for the follow through, unfortunately. Even this seems like the most. It seems like the easiest thing to do. Just try to keep going short here, but it's not. It's not. It's not proving to be like that. I'm a whole dad. Baby boy was born. Congratulations. Wow. Oh, wow. Goodness gracious. Are we all in the same life stage? What's going on, pandas? Are we just like all this? Are we all going through the same things in life right now? What in the world's happening? Congratulations, man. I don't know what the whole dad thing is. Like, were you just like kind of a dad before, and now you're the whole thing? I'm not sure what that's about, but congratulations. Was it a baby boy? Whoa, we got a new baby panda in the house. I'm happy for you. Congratulations. I mean, this is almost no joy. That's comparable. That is comparable. Is it comparable or comparable? Turtles, I'm a third of a debt. I mean, like I said, trading range price action. This is why I didn't want to keep going short. This is why I let go of the trade. Look, like we're just back here now, and it's just I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what the top of this trading range is gonna be. It could be here. It's hard to say because we haven't had a test of this yet, so it's hard to say this could be a resistance. You can take a gamble and try. His trading name is ZJ. Man, don't you wish your parents taught you how to trade, and by the time they're like 20, they would have like 10 years experience already in trading. Okay, so we do get a scalp. We come back to the middle of this trading range from here. The problem is if we test this up here again without testing the bottom, then it can be a breakout, right? It will lead to some sort of kind of like a cup and handle type situation. Mm, I mean, this could be hard. It's gonna be a tough day today. I'm down like I lost two trades in a row, which is I lost two trades in a row. It's all good. I mean, that's no big, but to me, what's more frustrating than losing is we got nothing here. We got nothing. It is just Chop City. I don't know, $160 here. I'm probably gonna take my profit. $160 in that trade. Not too shabby, but I wanted more. I wanted to get to the bottom of the trading range. So we're testing the top of the trading range before testing the bottom. We just go halfway. It's hard to go short here second time because of that, in my opinion. And we also have like last week's close, last trading day's close. We just have it here. So it could be a magnet for us and we can just hang out here all day. I wouldn't be surprised about that either. So we got a magnet above. We got, yeah, I don't know. It's hard for me to go short here. Good signal bar go short. Feels like I just short here, maybe. Not really that interested. If anything, it's mostly choppy day today. which not surprising, right? Because we have news on Wednesday. Probably gonna hang out, probably chop around till then. That's what the market typically does. So I would just be careful today and tomorrow. Like I just make sure you don't overtrade. But I have a $500 DLL. If I hit it, I'm done. We'll call it $500 DLL. Daily loss limit. For those who don't know what DLL stands for. The 100K account, not too shabby. It's not too bad. If you trade micros, especially, it's not too bad. I mean, I'm trading 150K accounts with micros, so just shows you how little margin you have with these prop firms when it comes to trading properly here. What a nasty day so far. Like, we had this massive bear bar ending on its low, and no follow through. It comes back all the way back up. Looks like it's going to probably break through the top. The daily chart. Strong bull bar ending on its high. It might create a second entry long here. Who knows? Weekly chart strong bull bar ending on its high. It's a second entry long triggered on the weekly chart off of 20 EMA. So daily, weekly could be somewhat bullish. I'm thinking it's going to test the previous week's close, previous trading day's close. Oh, okay. Maybe not. This changes things. This bear bar. That changes things, certainly, for me. Bill Simmons. Scalp that like button. Things have changed drastically. Nature of the market has changed. This took like less than a second to complete. It literally took less than a second to complete. We're probably considers the sell zone here. We'll see though. We'll see which way it breaks out of this bar. That's 500 transactions in less than a second. Something happened there, in my opinion. All right, I'm gonna just try. Let's try. I'm in. Let's see if we can get some bamboozes. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Coming after this massive bear bar. Thinking it was gonna make a move, especially trading range, obvious trading range developing here. So to me, I gotta do the thing that's most reasonable, is just to go short at the top of a trading range. I gotta do the thing that's most reasonable to me. Just go short at the top of a trading range. Okay, we're almost hit the. I'm gonna hit the middle of this trading range here. I might not get. It might snap back up. Who knows? It might snap back up. Who knows? I want to get to the middle of this trading range if possible. It doesn't seem like I'm gonna get there, unfortunately. Yeah, it's not gonna seem like I'm gonna get there. Unfortunate. All good. Oh, we'll try. We'll hold. Ooh, okay, I'm in. I want to hold a little bit of risk here. I want to let it cook a little bit. I'm gonna fail second entry long at the top of a trading range. Like, I want to let it cook a little bit here. Yeah. Let it cook a little bit. Horrible follow through. I get smoked here. I want to let it cook a little bit here. All right, let's let it cook. I think that's good. If it doesn't move here, I'm not sure. Hit 2 strong bear bars in a row. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. I mean, we have nothing to lose here. Right? We have our break even. We're at break even here. We have no more risk on this trade. So I can be a little more aggressive, I think. Thinking we hit the bottom of the trading range. We don't get there, unfortunately, pandas. What a shame, what a shame, what a shame. We don't get to the bottom trading range, which is I thought we were going to go to. It is quite unfortunate. I'm already feeling tilted here, pandas. I'm already feeling tilted here, pandas. Like, we don't get to the bottom trading range. I could have made some bamboo. Just taking out in the middle here. Comes all the way back up to my break even. It might push down again, but I'm already feeling quite tilted, pandas. Try taking partial profit. I don't know if you saw. I was gonna take partial profits at the bottom trading range, and I was gonna see if I get more. Take partial profits before then. I don't know. This could push down. I don't know. It's still bearish, still underneath the 20 MA. I'm just super unfortunate. I mean, I had my break even. I thought at this point, if we're getting this far down, I don't want to see what happens if we come back up. Like, to me, it's too weak, and it's too unreliable. So we come out there. I think it's a good skunk at the end. I can try. Maybe. Maybe. It's an ugly one. It's the Grinch. Not looking too pretty here. It's a bad signal bar, but the second just short. Hitting the top of the trading range again. Let's see if we can get a push down here. Come to Papa. Looks like we're stuck here. I'm not feeling it today. I mean, second just short, bad signal bar. This is not moving. This is getting way too. This is one of those days it's just going to be so incredibly choppy, pandas. It's going to be so incredibly choppy today. I just know it. Like, it just, nothing's going to move, pandas. Like, I want to get this to move. I just cannot get this to move, pandas. Okay, that was weird. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Positions. I gotta like hold this now because at this point, like the flatten all everything, like I don't know if it's even gonna work. I'm scared of flatten all because sometimes it like switches positions on you. So I just one by one took them all out with on the rhythmic. I'm too scared to flatten because what flatten does, it actually might enter you in the opposite side of the trade. Who's the most famous day trader? I mean, probably Patrick Wyland. Patrick Weiler, I mean, he's been around for a while, and he's going full blown, like, just straight up scamming, straight up scamming. And just people don't care. Just entertainment, like zero actual like helpful content. You have to sell your soul for that, and fortunately, actually, I'm not willing to do that. What is this, pandas? Got sideways. We never got to the bottom of trading range. We could never get to the bottom. We would double bottom here in the middle, and we're pushing back up. Could be bullish. Could be bullish here. I mean, we could not push much further than halfway. Well, now we're back at the top. So it just shows like, I just feel like the bears are weak. The bulls are stronger here. Just could not get the move, pandas. I mean, so frustrating. So incredibly frustrating. I went short here. We had some decent bamboo, but still, like, for me, not worth. And a good skunk at the end, ultimately, for me. Yeah. Not sure what's happening here. Like the 5 minute kind of shows you exactly what's going on today, which is absolutely nothing. We're still within the range of the first 5 minute bar, and we have not even closed outside this range yet. No closes outside. Just shows how choppy we are. Also, trading range indicator showing us trading range from Friday. We can come back. We can come back to the bottom of this trading range potentially here. I mean, it's just gonna be a difficult day to really make some money today, I think, which makes sense because big news on Wednesday. What time frame? 500 tick. I usually have it at the top right of your screen, but because of my overlays, I cannot have them. It's just going to show daily charts because the overlay is a daily chart, MES daily chart on top of this chart. Right, this is the 500 tick NQ chart, but I want to trade micros using this chart, and the only way to do that is with the overlay. So I have an overlay right now with MNQ. And this is a daily chart that's invisible. So you actually see two charts here right now, but you can't see the daily chart because I made the bar. It's only one bar. It's actually forming like right here, and it's transparent. So look at this nonsense, pandas. Look at this nonsense, pandas. Like, what is going on here? We have another bar that finished quite quickly as well. It's hard to make money today. Scalping day. I should quit swing trading because I'm trying to get to the bottom trading range. I'm trying to swing to it, but I should quit that and just focus on scalps. Quick scalps today. That's the name of the game. Another fail second entry long will be too hard to pass here. I gotta go short again. Another fail second entry long. I gotta go short here again. Yeah. Second entry long. Might push up pretty hard. If it breaks out, it could push up pretty hard here. If it breaks out. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Looks like. Close to it at least. Hitting the top of this sell zone. Alright, sell zone here. Cannot close above the sell zone. Again, can't close above the sell zone. You would think it would want to come to this magnet, which is a previous week's close. You would think. Wow, this day's chopped. This day is chopped. I mean, I could rearrange the charts so I can show you the time frame, but It is very dangerous because it defaults to the minis. It defaults to the minis every time I open the chart, so I have to manually change it for every chart that I trade on, back to the micros every single time. And I'm just telling you, it's gonna be a matter of time till I'm gonna forget. It's not even a question. It's gonna happen. It's a matter of when, not if. Hmm. Ugh. What in the world? Whatever. Whatever. I'll try. Jeez Louise. I mean, if it fails, it fails. But whatever, man. This is like it's good signal bar coming up for 20 EMA, coming up for trend line. I gotta try or whatever. The only bad thing is it's on top of a trading range. But the reason why I'm only willing to go long is because we failed to get to the bottom trade. We bounced off the middle of it, making the trading range weak to me. Thinking that we could break out here now. Plus magnet on top. Like I just have too many reasons to go long here. I'm just gonna hold. I don't know. Let's see. It might not go very far. It really may not go very far. Like the fact that it hasn't broken out yet is just it makes me like very uncomfortable here. Okay, there's no follow through here. I don't want anything to do with this. Just give me the scalp. If there's no follow through here, I don't want anything to do with this because this can just snap back down. Give me the scalp one time. Looks like we're not getting it. Looks like we're coming at break even here. This is so frustrating. Give me the scalp. It's still gonna take me out. Even two bull bars in a row. It's just one of those days. It's not gonna happen. My goodness. Can you just test the previous week's close without this nonsense? My goodness. Is it that difficult?
Target
Thank
filled.
you. My goodness. How difficult is that? We're 1 and 2. Bill 7 says up 800, DCA 35 micros, chop save sometime. That's the nice thing about choppy days, right? You most likely are able to come out break even at least on your trades. If it's choppy, right? Because that means the the market goes through the same prices multiple times. So even if it goes through it, it goes against you, most likely come back to it because choppy days you keep having overlapping bars. Yeah, big mama here, but I'm taking consideration of the current market cycle, which is just not. It's very chopped here today. I could have held this for a little bit more or whatever. I don't care. I'm just trying to scalp out at this point. You know, this is a second entry long coming up for 20 MA, trend line, and good signal bar. Had to try, and again, I had all the reasons before I entered the trade or while I was in the trade. I kind of gave the reasons, but all those reasons were the reason why I entered the trade. It wasn't with any hindsight bias I entered this trade, or any of the reasons I gave why I entered this trade did not have any hindsight bias. Right? We had this good signal bar, trend line 20 EMA. We couldn't get to the bottom of this trading range, so it made me feel like the trading range was weak. And we had a magnet above, which is the previous week's close. And I also told you the reason why I didn't like it. We're at top of a trading range. That was the main reason why I didn't like it. Top of a trading range, and it's market's chopped. So I had a red flag there, but I felt like the green flags, the white flags, the green lights, they were uh they were good enough for me. So we got a nice $100 trade there. I'm 1 and 2 now. I am 1 and 2. We're just scalperooing here. Just gotta scalp our way out of this hole. I'm okay with scalping. For me, I don't care. Scalping or swinging It doesn't matter to me as long as I know what is appropriate for the current market I'm in. And right now it's a scalp. Like let's say like I made a scalp like I just did, but the market just goes up forever from here. To me, it doesn't bother me because like I just knew at this point in time that we were in a scalper's market, so I'm scalping. Why do we know it's a scalper's market? Because multiple times tried to swing trade and I could not make my bamboo, so I know we're in a scalper's market. Okay, high or low? It's our first close, right? We have a 5 minute orb now. It's the first close outside of the 5 minute first 5 minute candle. So first close we're gonna have most likely, and it's gonna be above it. So we could be flying here. Let's see. Maybe I could try with this and just go long here. I don't know. I could try. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'll wait for a setup on the smaller time frame. Um, it's a really strong bull bar. It's a really strong bull bar. I'm just a little worried before it. It took so long to create this bar. Right? We had to go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 5 minute cans, 30 minutes of price action before we had our orb. The first time we broke it. So to me, it feels like the day is the price action is telling me this is going to be a more of a trading range type day, but I could be wrong. I mean, we could just have just like a massive bull run here. It could happen, pandas, and like I don't know. But I think if it does, I want to keep scalping the smaller time frames. Hopefully, there's some opportunity here on the 500 tick chart to continue to jump in here. Currently, not really, right? Like it's hard to jump in when you just got multiple bull bars in a row. It's hard to jump in anywhere here, especially grinding on top of a channel. So I'm not gonna just go long here, even though I feel like it's bullish. All right, pandas. What do we got here? Second entry long. Not the best looking setup. Bad signal bar. No supports. Coming back to the 20 EMA here. Maybe. Might be a good trade just to buy it off the 20 EMA. Hmm. Okay. My first entry off the 20 EMA, I may try. Okay, we don't get the test of the 20 EMA, which is what I wanted. I wanted to pull back at least to some sort of support before just going long there. It looks like the bulls were eager to just jump in though. Ugh. Ugh. Ew. Ew. What's this? Ew. What? Ew. Just marking this bar here because it finished in less than 3 seconds. So whenever you have 500 transactions completed in less than 10 seconds, like something's going on. Something happened there. I don't know what, but the price action will tell me, and we're going away from it. So I think it'd be hard for me to go long here. No, because of that. Should I look to go short here instead? Okay. It's the first entry off the 20 MA off the previous day's high. Terrible signal bar. I'll go short if we double top off of this, but otherwise, it's a little difficult here. Creating some craziness right now. Had to appear horrible today. Yes, it might be getting better. We'll see, but it was very horrible. Like this is not tradable in my opinion. Not very tradable. Okay. Second entry long. Potentially, if we can get the pullback. We don't get it right now, so no second entry long currently, but gotta anticipate it. I'm a little wary. I'm a little wary of this sell zone. Reason why I'm considering a sell zone is because we traded right underneath it immediately. Like right after it was done, we pushed away from it. So to me, it's kind of like hinting at this is some ah. A failed second entry long would be hard for me to pass up, but at the same time, I would prefer a double top off this area before going short. Think about pause. I don't know. No setup, no joy. No joy on setup. Just hanging out here. Second entry long. May trigger here. If you think this is bullish, then this is not a terrible long to take. It's just underneath the 20 MA. 20 MA is also pointing downwards. Bad signal bar. So you got a lot of things going against you here. Now we tested the low, broke through the low, and closed beneath the low, and we close inside. All right, close above the low. Okay. I mean, uh, there's a better setup than this for sure. There's a better setup than this for sure. Waiting around the corner. Let's try. It's such a nice looking fail second entry long though. Like aesthetically, it's perfect. I'll let it cook a little bit. It doesn't actually trigger, so I get bamboozled here. I got in early because it like snapped down and entered me into the trade. I lose that trade because I prematurely got into it. Gosh darn it. It prematurely made me enter the trade because it like snapped down the very last second and put me in it. Prematurely put me in. Oh, whatever. It's all good. It was a beautiful looking setup. Like this, I'm like, this is aesthetically a perfect fail second entry long. I wish all my fail second entry longs would look like this. But it doesn't even trigger beneath it, so actually it didn't happen. But I entered it because the very last, I had my like order ready. I tried to time it, but the very last second it snapped down and put me into it. Jeez Louise. What can you do? It feels like entry long, but you're above the 20 minutes, so just watching. I'm just watching. I almost want to go long here. Let's try. I mean, this stupid thing didn't even trigger, so. My goodness. Forget it. Show bear bar anyone it's low. Too confusing now. Um that's trading, right? It's unfortunate I can't like perfectly time that. It's very difficult, especially in the last like three, last like 10 ticks it snaps down, puts me in the trade. What can you do about it though? What can you do about it? Absolutely nothing. 1 and 3, down 226. Not too bad. On a day like today, especially, it's not too bad. It ends up pushing down pandas, like, I don't know. It's unfortunate. More nonsense. Push down pretty hard. I don't know. What am I trying to do here? The sell zone though. That's unfortunate. That's annoying. So many things are tilting me right now. I almost can't wait till I can just end the stream because I just don't want to trade anymore. Like this is not it. It does have a big flush here, which is like I wanted a piece of it right here, but that snapped down. And at the end, I don't think I would be able to enter this trade anyways because there's no setup afterwards. So I'm not too mad about it. But geez Louise, it's annoying that I lost like $50 for no reason virtually. Ugh. I wanted that snap down. I mean, I wanted this flush down. I was trying to go short here. Ugh. I wanted a piece of it. Didn't get it. Instead, I got bamboozled. That's the worst, right? Not only did I enter the market in a way where it was annoying because it triggered me in, like it triggered my trade because it snapped down the very last second and it just put me in the trade. Not only that, so I end up just skunking it or losing it. Not only that, it actually ends up making the move I wanted to make afterwards. So it's a double frustrating thing, that double tilt price action right there. No, when you got double tilted, that is not good. That is not good at all. That is not good at all. When you get double tilted here, pandas, that is you're in trouble if you get double tilted. Okay, going back along here. Could be buy zone. Could be buy zone. Just like this was a sell zone, this could be a buy zone. But probably not a cal zone. Double tilt events. Double tilting events just happened. Wonderful. Wonderful. Exactly what I wanted. I wanted a double tilt. Double tilt Monday. Okay. Okay. I'm not looking to go short here. But short is presenting itself. Second short coming up for trend line in 20 MA. Oh, it does trigger the second short. I want this though. I want this. I want the long here. I want the trap off of this. Unfortunately, I'm going to maybe take it with the outside bar. I hate outside bar traps. Okay. Looks like it's going to go down anyways. It's fine. Okay. It's confused. Just really confused, actually. Taking the fail second entry short here. Couple of reasons to go long here, in my opinion. Let's see. I mean, I could get smoked here. I mean, it looks like I'm getting smoked. And again, I lose a tick every time I enter a trade. It's super frustrating. I don't know why I keep losing a tick every time I enter a trade. Hmm. Hmm. Just watching. Could be bouncing off the previous day's high here as well. Could that's resistance. I think I'm gonna extend my stop loss. I'm gonna put it down here just because it makes sense to me. Like if it comes down here to me, this trade is completely kaputs. I may not wait till it gets down here, but I feel the trade is completely kaputs if it does come back down here. Okay. 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 Interesting. Oh. Hmm. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Comes back up. Jeez, it's confusing. It's actually very confusing. It's having a hard time breaking above the previous day's high again. We're clearly above the 20 MA, so I feel okay here still. It is having a hard time breaking out. Every time it gets close to here, it gets snapped back down. We're clear. Oh, big move time? Breakout time? Where's my big move? 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 Jeez. I'm not getting anything here. Hmm. I would like this to move now. Like now. Like next bar, it needs to have follow through. If we don't have follow through next bar, pandas, I'm done. Like that means I'm coming out break even. I need follow through right now. I don't want any shenanigans here. Looking for a new high, maybe. No shenanigans. Come on, one time. No shenanigans, one time. One time. No shenanigans, please. Don't take me out break even. The reason why I don't want to hold if it comes back down is because to me now this is a failed attempt to break out again of the previous day's high. Hmm. I feel like also it's one of those days you cannot come out break even if you want your trade to work out. It's grinding. It's surely grinding here. It is grinding. Yikes. That's not good. I feel like retracements are usually very deep and quick. So this can come down, take me out, break even, then snap back up. Like the retracements on days like today are usually very strong, very quick. It's like almost you want to just take the retracements. Like you just want to go short here and scalp out the retracement. Like that's kind of what you almost want to do on a day like today. Higher low setting up here, but it's weak. Right? They're not strong bull bars ending on their highs. They're like lots of wicks, lots of tails, small bodies. They're bullish, but not very strong in my opinion. I'll probably come out break even here, unfortunately. Yeah. Look how fast it snaps down to take me out break even. Yeah, that just struggled too much. It struggled way too much. I mean, it might snap back up because that's what happens on days like today. Like the retracements are very strong, very quick. People basically scalped this retracement out. But again, the reason why I didn't want to hold if it does snap back down is because now I'm thinking the previous day's high is a resistance, and we just could not break through. Could not have follow through. But yeah, this is almost telegraphed. Like everything I said about what happened here, what's happening here, I said it before it happened. Right, like the retracement most likely will come back very quick and take me out break even and very strong. Like bam, 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 bam. Right, have this one bar finished, in 6 seconds. And after that, it could push back up and go the way I want to go. Easily, you could do that here. But it was such a weird spot because to me, if it reversed there, I don't really want to stick around and find out what happens. I mean, it could push up strong here. I don't know. It looks like it's pushing up now. Yeah. So, like I said, takes me out and it's probably gonna push up right back up. The retracement is like almost the strategy you want to take at this point. Like you want to take this scalp down. It's almost, and like I said, it's one of those days you cannot come out break even for your trade to work. And it's exactly that. Look, it hits the bottom of this sell zone, which is like was my first target. I did switch it later to above, but that was my first target I wanted to hit. And when it happened after a quick, strong retracement, scalping you out, like people scalped out this. It's very common in very choppy days, on days that I just to me are low EV days. So I'm just like, do I really want to even continue trading? We're down like 233. It's whatever. Like I could care less. Like being down $200. But man, that's just like it's just more of the type of day we're having. Super frustrating. We were in a nice long trade, good position here, and it was just crawling up. It had a quick retracement back down, takes me out break even, and then goes to my target almost straight away. And I almost called that perfectly before it happened. But to me, the small red flag of the fact that if we retrace here, we're going to break beneath the high again. And I just didn't want to see what happens after that. It could be like a really strong pushback down. I just didn't want anything to do with it. So that's hence I made no money on that trade where I could have made decent amount. Could have made like $120 on that trade. Not too shabby. But I think the takeaway is this price action is frustrating. Pretty annoying. Coming off the sell zone again, I may go short here because now we got a double top off the sell zone. Two strong bear bars in a row. It wouldn't be the worst thing just to go short right here. Right, these two bear bars are confirmation that most likely go down and put your stop loss up here. But I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna wait for a pullback of some sort so I can lessen my risk. Plus, you have a semi like buy zone here. Right, three bear bars in a row now. It's no entry here, so it is what it is. no entry to jump in here. Okay. Lower high I can try. But I mean you got this potential buy zone here as well, so I don't know. I'm eager to like reverse, like go short now because I believe we're pretty choppy. So I want to go short after bouncing off of resistance. With any type of follow through, I'm gonna try here. Let's see if we get a little bit of bamboo. Yuck. Okay. Maybe not. Maybe it's just be a strong push up. Three bear bars in a row. Your stop loss is up here. Hmm. I don't like this doji bar. Certainly doesn't make things better. Okay. I feel like I lose this trade, yeah? I feel like I lose this trade. Doji bar. If I hold the original risk on this trade, I feel like I'm gonna lose it. I don't know. I'm just gonna take the hit. I'm just confused on what to do here. I'm very confused on what to do here. I think I'm 2-4. I'm very confused to what to do here. I could take a second short here, but this is very confusing for me. It's just very choppy. Get 5 bear bull bars in a row now. Can't wait till this day's over. This is pretty horrid. Pretty bad. So like if I kept my stop loss up here, would this been the better move? I just feel like I don't know. It's a lot of risk on a pretty terrible setup. It's like nothing really not really going for anything here. I think I did the right thing. I don't mind losing a little bit there. I think I did the right thing, Pandas. Okay, strong bear by any odds low gets folded immediately. Uh, just very tight channel here. Huh? I don't know. Don't know. Guess I could try this. Might be too late. I might not be able to get. I might not be able to get in. I didn't like the fact that it just folded like that, so I want to wait a little bit longer. But maybe because of that hesitation, I won't get in at all. Well, I'm in this trade now, so let's see what happens. I mean, this could be my last trade. If I get stopped out here, I mean, it's just this day's just out here to bamboozle everybody. Just trying to get bamboozled here. Bamboozled. Ah, it's not good. I mean, we got 2 bear bars in a row now. I'm like thinking, okay, maybe some follow through, especially after these 3 bear bars. Then we got more bear bars. Thinking we can get pushed down, at least test the low here. But if that doesn't happen, then I'm gonna take the hit. I'm gonna end the day because this is just absolutely filthy, as I like to say. It's a filthy price action. Feels like I just short here could trigger, which I'm a-okay with. I don't mind getting stopped out here. It is what it is. I think this is the correct spot to get stopped out on if I do get stopped out. Maybe reverse. I could try, but man, it is so ugly. It is so ugly to reverse here. I can try, but I don't know. Reversing it one time? It's on the 5 minute. I'm trying to trade. I'm trying to do this inside bar trade here. The second entry long. And get absolutely crushed again. We'll take the whole hit and just move on with our lives. Oh, this is terrible. Yeah. I should have stopped trading a while back. I probably hit my full stop loss. My DLL today, which is 500. And we'll just call it a day because this day is not meant to be traded. It is a day that you should just let it go. And the $500 DLL is going to save my butt in the long run because there are plenty of days to trade. And I don't think today is a day where I should really be spending so much time and energy trying to trade. Which is like, it's like very counter because you're like, you want to trade, you want to keep trading because you want to make your money back. But it's actually the worst thing you can do is do that today. Basically, all I'm trading right now is this 5 minute OI pattern. It was an inside bar. It was a IOI pattern, inside, outside, inside. And we broke to the upside with a second entry long. And I decided to try to get a 1-to-1 here. And you just put your stop loss on the other side of the inside bar, and if you get hit, you get hit. Maybe today's not the best day for that, but we were bullish. We were above the 20 MA, so I was trying to go with trend. I mean, what could have stopped me from entering all these wicks? I guess multiple wicks, and it's like it's not a very clean inside bar. You know, it comes after lots of chop, so it might be one of the inside bars you skip because this is lessens your probability because of how many overlapping bars there are. But I mean, it's breakout mode. We're bullish, and and it was a spot where I felt like if you were short and that triggered, you would want to be long here. And I felt like it was one of those trades that like, man, like, if I scale in here, I'm gonna get smoked, and so I try to take advantage of that from experience. And today's double whammy here. I reversed my trade right there, thinking that, man, if like I lose this trade, right, I was short. Now, if that trigger, I was like, I really don't want to stick around and find out what happens. And I don't want to stick around and find out what happens if this also triggers. Yeah, this is like getting so coiled up, pandas. I do not know what's happening here. It's getting so coiled up. Maybe make some bamboo here. Let's see. No joy, I feel like. I feel like no joy on this setup. Okay. Most likely lose this, in my opinion. Like the fact that it didn't move, for me, it's like if the price action is not for me, it's against me. And the fact that we couldn't close above this high as we broke out of it makes me feel like I lost this trade already. Like it's pretty much doomed to fail. It's all good. I mean, I'll take the hit. Like I had my reasons why I wanted to enter long. Could have been a revenge trade type situation, but it's just a high chance I lose this trade now because look at yep, get snapped down, lose that trade. Oh, good. All right, Bandits. I think that's it. We hit our like DLL today, and it's just unfortunate that. Yeah, I mean, it just means for me like there's just no reason to keep trading today because look at the price action. It's absolutely filthy. And there's just almost no EV in any of these trades, right? It just keeps going back and forth, super choppy. And so there's virtually no EV on these trades. And like I was short here. I went short here on this trade. And like my stop loss would have been up here. I would have got stopped out anyways. And for me, I'm like, if I get stopped out here, like I'm gonna go long and look for a new high because at this point, when there's no follow through after this many pushes, this many attempts, like I'm looking to go do the opposite. And unfortunately, it actually ends up moving the way I want it to move afterwards again. So I'm just getting like trapped in and out. And like, if I went short here after this strong bear bar, I had my stop loss up here, I think I've been fine. Maybe with even a measured move, if I just went short here right away. Let's try to make that measure move for those who just went short here and have their stop loss up here. So trying to hit that measure move now. But Pan is like I think I've seen enough today where I'm just like I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know if it's worth it. I'm down 500. I mean it's completely fine. Like it's no problem. Like we're trading double. We're trading 2 micros now. So like actually negative 500 is like around the amount I want to lose now. I want to lose around like $250 while I was trading 1 micro, but trading 2 micros, $500, right? That's what you want to risk. But you're also gonna make, $500 to $1,000 now in profit, hopefully. So on the good days, but on bad days, you gotta lose the minimum here, which is 500 and or the maximum, I guess. But to me, it's like the what is it called? It's like the you when you lose the least possible. uh like in poker, let's just say like you have a full house and someone has a higher full house and you just call, when they raise it, you lose a minimum, because you probably would have just shoved, but because you called, you only lose the minimum there. So geez, what can you do about it? I think today's chop, and it's gonna be like this the rest of the day. So like we see a strong move, but I don't think it means much. Like it's not gonna be sustained. We do hit the 1 to 1. We might hit the 1 to 2 if I just went short here on this bear bar after it bounced, it double topped off the sell zone. That was kind of one of my plans, and that's also why I went short here, thinking that would be a better entry. But ultimately, it came back up and it would have stopped me out here anyways. So I don't know if it's a tough one. Like I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Like to me, like if it fails to push down when it's supposed to, I want to kind of go the opposite way, thinking that you know those who are short got trapped just like me, and then I would try to reverse it one time. I usually don't reverse it, but I tried there because it ended up becoming another setup, which is an inside bar, second entry long off of the look at the strong bear bar ending on its low now. You're looking for follow through to the bottom trading range here. Which we might get. I don't know. Jeez Louise. I mean, should I? One time? Just one more trade here? If it's a juicy setup? Lower high setup? Of some sort? Nah. This is not the day, right? This is not the day. Lower high setup. Massive bear bar ending on its low. Zero follow through. Typical for today, right? Like massive bear bar ending on its low, zero follow through. That's like it's expected, so I shouldn't be going short here. You make the 1 to 2 as well. Like it's a dumb trade. If we're gonna go short, we gotta hit the 20. We gotta hit the 20 EMA. I'm gonna see one more setup. I'm gonna see if it sets up. If we like push down like 25 points beyond this, then I'm done. It's kaput, It's a scalp. I just want to see some follow through on a massive bear bar ending on its low coming from the top of a trading range. Like now it's coming from the top of a trading range, and now I want some follow through to the bottom of the trading range. And all the higher time frames are now beneath the 20 EMA, right? The 2500 tick chart beneath the 20 EMA, the 5-minute chart beneath the 20 EMA, right? This is the massive bear bar ending on its low, which is what I want some follow through in. You think you're gonna test the 20 EMA at least here. Considering it, because it's a good signal bar. Just take the hit. Let's see if we get some semblance of follow through here. It'd be nice. Just we don't even test the low here, so we don't even test the low. We don't even test the low yet. And what can you do about it? You know what I mean? We don't even test the low yet. Okay, we tested a low, snap back up. All right, at least we tested the low. This game bamboozled every setup here. We tested low. I want a more than I want at least like a 1-to-1, yeah. Okay, if I lose this, I'm just gonna end it. I just felt like there was some good EV here. Massive bear bar ending on its low on the 5-minute chart. Looking for a little bit of follow through after a good signal bar to go short. Thought there'll be some good EV here, especially coming on top of a trading range, right? Top of the trading range on the 5-minute chart. Maybe come back to the bottom, but having a strong bear bar like this. Okay, let me try here. We're gonna scale up here on this trade if we get there. If not, it's all good. We're gonna scale up here. Push down a little bit here if we can get it. One trade. Oh my goodness. It snapped up so quickly. That's gross.
Target filled.
That's gross. It snapped up so quick. It snapped up so quick the moment it entered. My goodness, I've never seen it snap that quick, like, ever. Wow, Panda's like, I can't do this. I'm done. I'm certainly done, right? We're certainly done here. Nothing to look at here, Pandas. Two bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. Looking for a little bit of follow through, I guess. I don't know. This is certainly my last trade. If we break this high, then I'm dead. We are dead here. We're dead. I already know it. I already know we're dead. I already know we're dead, Pandas. There's no question about it. We're absolutely smoked here. I already know I'm dead on this trade. It's absolutely smoked. Maybe per chance give up bar here if we do get a nice push to the downside. Per chance, per chance. Oh, we're smoked. We're absolutely smoked here, no? I just saw two bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. I was like, let's look for a little bit of follow through. Two strong bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. I was like, let's look for a little follow through here. Top of a trading range, get to the middle of the trading range at the very least. No joy. We're gonna get smoked here, Pandas. We're gonna get absolutely smoked here. All right. I mean, this is for certain. If I lose this, I'm done. I'm done. 1000%. If this triggers here, I'm like 1000% done here. Like, what can you do about it now? Strong bull bar, yeah. Like, you're absolutely kaputs. It's like a bull bar here. Like, there's just no question about it. We're absolutely smoked here. We're absolutely insanely smoked here, Pandas. Try to come up break even, but I'll just take the full hit, whatever. We're absolutely smoked here. No question about it. Oh yeah, we're smoked. We're absolutely smoked here. We're absolutely smoked here. No question. It's gonna be a strong bull bar with strong follow through, and it's gonna just rip my face off. Yep. This is gonna blast off here. It's gonna take me out, and it may push back down once it takes me out, which is gonna be the best part about this. You know what I mean? The best part about this, it probably take me out and then go the way I want it to go. That's gonna be the best part about this. I'm ready. I'm ready for this to Shoryuken me and just take my stop out. Like, I'm so ready. Like, it's just so certain. No question about it. Massive bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart coming from top of a trading range. Of course you're gonna get folded. Of course you're gonna get folded here. No, I cannot enter another. I'm already full leverage here. I'm like 4 contracts. It's not worth it here. I like to just see it move. Like, we're too close to our break even. Oh, I'm smoked. Oh, I'm smoked for sure. That did not move down at all. It snapped back up the moment it entered. I'm smoked, Pandas. Aren't I smoked here? Yeah, of course no follow through on the massive bear bars. Of course no follow through on the massive bear bars. I'm smoked here. I mean, Pandas. Like, what is the point of this? I'm still alive somehow, but I'm certain I'm gonna get smoked here. It's just a small pullback. It's gonna take me out before it explodes. Failed trap. I might as well try. If this is a failed trap, I might as well try. Lean into your mistakes, pandas. Lean into them. My goodness. Failed trap. Still smoked. No push to the direction I needed to go. The moment it enters short, it just snaps back up. You know within 3 seconds of your trade when you're gonna win or lose it. And 3 seconds into that short, I already knew like we were smoked here. It's all good. I think it was worth it. Failed trap, good signal bar, go short. In the direction I wanted to go. I think it was worth it, pandas. We're gonna take a huge hit here, big pain, but it was worth it, pandas. It was surely worth it. It was certainly worth it. Pandas! It was worth. It was absolutely worth it. It is absolutely worth losing this. One time. Too choppy now. I have no idea what's happening. Oh, man. Yeah, it just snaps back to the 20 MA. Snaps off of it. Bounce off the 20 MA. This is like, certainly, I am doomed to fail here. Absolutely no follow through on the 2 strong bear bars in a row on the 5-minute chart. I mean, we may get follow through later. I just have to incur way too much risk in order to try to take advantage of it. I'm just gonna take this hit. It's a $200-ish loss. We'll take the hit, move on with our lives. Pandas. I mean, if you want to give it to me, I'll take it. If you want to give it to me, I'll try. But we're absolutely smoked here. Look at this. We're absolutely smoked to smithereens here. But if you give me one more entry, I'm going for it. Pandas, we are in. We are in. We're absolutely in. It just snaps back off of my break even. We are absolutely dead. I entered short again here with the L4 setup, and that was the one that's going to take me out. Pandas. How stupid is that? How stupid is that? How dumb is that? All right, fans, I'm done. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. I mean, we're down $880. It's all good. It's not the worst. What's my threshold at? I mean, I should have like plenty of threshold. I'm not even worried about that threshold. I'm not even worried about the threshold. But just in case, let's look. Yeah, I mean, I've got plenty of threshold left. But it's just how dumb is that, right, Panis? How dumb is that? How stupid is that? How stupid is this price action? 2 massive bear bars in a row. Absolutely no follow through. Like, how stupid is that? It is just bewildering. It does take me out on this massive bull bar ending on its high. Like, how dumb is this, Pandas? Like, like for me, like, today's a bad day, but when you get 2 bear bars like this in a row, top of a trading range, I want to look for a short. We had a couple shorts to look at. Second inch short, failed trap, L4 setup. Many shorts to take there. I took all of them and got blasted here, Pandas. What can you do about it? What can you do about it? All right, I mean, this is it. I gotta try one more time. I just one trade, Pandas. Like, I would want some follow through. And if we don't get it here, Pandas, like, that's it. That's it. That's absolutely it. We get 1 minute left. Like, after it takes me out, then it just gets crushed. Like I said, the best part about losing this trade is that once it takes me out, it's gonna go the way I want it to go. I knew that would be the best part about this trade, and this is what we're exactly what we're seeing today. And just to me, I was just said, it's just too much risk for me to incur at that time. and I gotta just take it out at the stop loss. But I knew the moment I knew if it takes me out right afterwards, right? Look how crazy it is. It takes me out on this massive bull bar. This bull bar has absolutely no follow through. Has like a tick of follow through. Like it just reverses after it takes me out. Then it goes the way I want it to go. Golly, that's what trading is all about. I love it. I love it. That's what trading is all about. I love it. I love it. We're gonna go short just one time. Nice strong bear bar ending on its low again. Looking for follow through on the 5 minute chart with two bear bars in a row. You're looking for a little bit of follow through. I'm gonna look for a 1-to-1 on this trade, and I think that's it. That is the ultimate trade. Like, if I can't make money on this trade, pandas, this is absolutely no reason to take any more trades today. If I can't make money on this trade here, on a bear bar, following after two strong bear bars, looking for a 1-to-1 on top of a trading range, looking to come back to the bottom trading range on a trading range day, then there's absolutely no reason to trade today. And this is my last attempt to make anything of today. If we don't make it here, pandas, like I just it's it. And it's obviously just gets folded here the moment I enter this trade, but it's all good. It is all good. I just knew it. I knew it. I knew it, Pandas, without a doubt. It did exactly what I was gonna do. Takes me out and then go the way I want it to go. It takes me out and then it goes the way I want it to go. And surely, if I get stopped out here, I mean, there's virtually nothing else for me to do because the whole point of taking this trade was because it's a good setup. If the good setups fails, then that means we're in a day where good setups fail. So I no longer want to take a trade today because if good setups fail, then what's the point of trading? Because how are you gonna know what's a good setup, what's a bad setup? Is even good setups fail? Strong bear bar ending on its low. Let's see if there's follow through here. I think for me, I'm gonna just take this. I'm gonna try. It's such a strong bear bar ending on its low, following two strong bear bars in a row at top of a trading range. So to me, I think it's worth a try and it's worth taking a hit. I know I'm gonna increase my losses, but I think this trade is worth trying. Going for it. Looking for a 1-to-1 at the very least. We do break this low. Look, it goes away exactly where I want it to go after it takes me out. My goodness. Just so frustrating. So incredibly frustrating. So incredibly frustrating. Of course, of course. Of course, you gotta sweat. Of course, you gotta sweat. Sick. I'm pretty sure I lost this trade. Like, that is not what you want to see when you're short. You don't want to see a massive bull bar in the middle of your short. You don't want to see it. Turns just to a trading range, as I should trade it after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like 40 overlapping bars in a row. So, got bamboozled here. I was too focused on the higher time frames where I just saw a nice strong bear move at the top of a trading range. And my premise is that we would have followed through at least come closer to the middle of the trading range. I don't know. Try this, but again, I'm gonna incur so much risk now if I double up my position. Feels like entry long. Doesn't even trigger, so we're hanging out here. Still chilling. It's a bull bar. The 5-minute chart, no follow through. It's terrible follow through on that. We'll just try here. So it feels like entry long. Alright, I don't want to take it anymore. Terrible signal bar. Most likely just lose it straight up. Most likely just lose it straight up. But if I can't make a 1-to-1, what's the point? You know, I'd rather just take the hit. If I can't make a 1-to-1 on this type of trade, then what's the point, right, pandas? What is the point? We get absolutely crushed here again. But I think this is the absolute 100% confirmation that I should just stop trading today. Even when the setup looks good, it fails. So it's like, for me, I'm like completely okay with not trading the rest of the day. Because if a good setup fails, then it's like, what kind of day are you really trading here? You know what I mean? What kind of day are you really trading here? If a good setup fails, then what is the point? You know, if your good setups fail, surely what's the point? What is the point? What is the point? Well, we're chilling here. We're trading micros. I mean, being 1,000 down on micros, 2 micros, it's not the worst thing in the world. It's not the best thing in the world, obviously, but it's not the worst thing in the world. It'd probably take me all week to recoup this, or maybe 2 trading days. I don't know. If we get good price action next couple days, it won't take me too long to recoup at all. Good signal bar, top of a trading range, smaller trading range. It's a viable short to take here. Probably better to take a short up here where I'll probably get stopped out. It's actually the best thing to do here is to go short, actually. But of course, I'm not going to do it. Because I hate scaling him. I hate scaling in my trades. I absolutely abhor scaling it. I'd rather just take the hit, and if I like the short, I'd rather just re-enter. We're still in this trade. I mean, I can come up break even if I just don't like what I see, but the 1-to-1, in my opinion, is still viable here. That's a good signal bar. I'm smoked. Okay, it's not a good signal bar, so I'll have a chance. I guess I could try. I don't love it, but if it happens, I'm gonna try. It's a lower high. But to me, it looks more choppy, right? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. I'm probably better off just trying to go short up here before you can stop down and just try to scale in and come up break even. Like, I feel like I have a high chance of coming up break even if I do that. But overall, this is a 5-minute trade. So here I am on the 5-minute chart, waiting for some progress. Okay, we are in this position. It's a lower high on this trade. It's like really bad follow through on my first setup. I just came out break even there, seeing how this is not behaving in a way where I feel like it supports my premise here. Maybe best just come out break even here. I think for me there's a problem when we can't even come out to break even on my original trade. Okay, people coming out break even there, I think. Yeah, this is trading range. I think I just come out break even on this trade now. Clearly underneath the 20 MA. I don't know. Just having a hard time breaking out. Just feels like trading range, if anything. Lower highs, lower lows, potentially here. No. Strong bear bar ending on its low. That's good for me. Let it cook a little bit here, I guess. We get like multiple bear bars in a row, ending on their lows. But the previous ones I got folded, have been folded here. I don't know. We'll just take the hit, whatever. I actually really don't care. I would like this to push, but will it? Let the candle finish at least? How much follow through? Not virtually no follow through after entering. So sick. I mean, if it does push down now after this, it's like almost nothing I can do about that. I had my break even there. I was in 6 contracts. It's too choppy for me. Lower highs, lower lows. I was in 6 contracts. I mean, I entered here, like, if I was in this trade and I saw this, like, why would I think why would I think it'll come up back up here? Like, I understand. This goes the way I want it to go now. If it takes me a break even 6 contracts, all good. That was a good trade. Could not manage it properly, though. Yeah, it goes the way I want it to go. After it takes me a break even. Like, my break even was, like, way up here. It wasn't even down here where I would enter the trade originally, but it's like way up here. In my mind, I'm like, if it doesn't come back up here to take me out break even, then the forces of the market are just too strong against me. I simply cannot. I simply cannot. I simply cannot withstand the forces of this market. It is too diabolical, too choppy, and therefore we are out of here. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright early tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.